If I told you nowadays anyone can speak English language fluently and effortlessly, irrespective of our degree, place, environment. Yes, my friend, you heard me right. Earlier it was very difficult, or it may have been very difficult for the people to learn and to speak English fluently because they did not used to have the environment, right? But now we have environment. Here you might be saying, no, I don't have environment. My friend, we have social media and there are a lot of platforms, there are a lot of apps we can find and practice, right? We can find the co-learner and start speaking with them. Let me share with you how I use social media or how I learned this language. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, I was also like you, thinking that it's really difficult to learn English language. But once I took the step for learning grammar or for speaking English, it seemed that in my imagination it was difficult. But when I took the real step, that time it was not that much difficult. In your case also, if you are someone who has been just imagining that it is really very difficult to learn English language and not taking the step, my friend, from today onwards, go and take the first step and start learning this language. Okay? See, if we think it is difficult, it is going to be difficult. If we think we can find the way, we can find the way. So nowadays, if you search on Play Store English speaking app, you will find multiple of apps. Some are paid, some are free. you know so in my case, I haven't paid even a single rupee for learning this language. To be honest, when I started learning this language, there was one app that was 24 by 7 free, but later on they started charging money. Even I didn't pay, because I had committed or I had promised to myself that I would never ever pay money for learning English language. And you won't believe, I used to think that only those who have, you know, proper degree in English, they can only speak this language. But no, I was wrong. You might be also thinking like that. Those who are brilliant, those who has proper degree or higher degree, they can only speak. My friend, it's not true. Now the scenario has changed. Now social media has taken place and anyone can use it and learn many a skill. Not only speak in English, but many a skills they can learn. Right? So I was also like you. I didn't know that I would be able to speak this language, but now today I'm speaking because first thing, so in my case, I haven't paid even a single rupee for learning this language. To be honest, when I started learning this language, there was one app that was 24 by 7 free, but later on they started charging money. Even I didn't pay. I had promised to myself that I would never ever pay money for learning English language. And you won't believe, I used to think that only those who have, you know, proper degree in English, they can only speak this language. But no, I was wrong. You might be also thinking like that. Those who are brilliant, those who has proper degree or higher degree, they can only speak. My friend, it's not true. Now the scenario has changed. Now social media has taken place and anyone can use it and learn many a skill. Not only speak in English, but many a skills they can learn. Right? So I was also like you. I didn't know that I would be able to speak this language, but now today I'm speaking because first thing, I found that my grammar was not clear. After having graduation degree or after having, you know, uh, 10th or intermediate degree, even I wasn't able to make the sentences properly. I wasn't able to use grammar properly, you know. So once I found that I was weak in these kind of things, so I started learning grammar. Afterward, I found one app and started introducing myself. I started practicing. You can also do it. You can also speak this language fluently and effortlessly by taking the step. Don't only sit and think. If you think you are creating problem just by thinking or overthinking, that it's really difficult. Only talented people can speak English language. My friend, it is no longer true. Earlier it was true, but now, just because of social media, it is very easy to learn English language. We have a lot of platform. If we use them properly, we can learn a lot of skill, right? As I told you. So this is what I did, and in my entire journey, I haven't paid even a single penny to anyone, to any platform, or to any person also. I haven't enrolled myself in online or offline classes. Even I am able to convey my message. Even I am able to speak this language. How? Because I decided to learn this language. Because I learned how to use time. I learned how to cut off from the distraction. I got mobile phone. I could have been only watching videos or wasting my time, but no. I found that people, they were speaking English, they were using social media properly. Then I decided that I would also use it, and I will also become a fluent speaker. Okay, and that's why now I'm speaking before you. In your case also, my friend, in your hand, laptop is there, mobile is there. You can use them properly and learn whatever you want to learn. Okay, just don't think that I don't have environment. If I had thought like that, I would be not speaking. Firstly, I thought, but later on I found social media, and then afterward I started learning. In your case also, now you might be wondering, but you just have to Google. You just have to take a small step and become little serious, not so serious. As I told you that in previous or 10 years back, it may have been very difficult for the people to learn any skill, especially to learn how to speak English language, right? Now we are getting good opportunity. We can use and learn this language. My friend, I wasn't able to read books properly. You won't believe, I was very weak in English. But now I can read book, I can understand. Not 100%. Even now also I struggle, because some words, but I don't take it negative way that okay, I'm struggling or I'm just facing problem to understand that entire book or the entire meaning of that thing. I don't give up. I try to search, and I try to understand in chunks, in small things. And I believe in small things nowadays, in atomic things, I would say. Earlier I was thinking in big things. Okay, I'll become a fluent speaker within 1 month. But no, I was wrong. When I started learning every single day, I started seeing improvement every single day. I forgot to worry about my fluency within 1 month. Of course, I care about my fluency. I want to become more fluent, but I don't beat myself up. Just okay, you have to learn within 1 month. You have to do this one within short period of time. No. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Now it is really very easy. Now you need to learn how to manage time, because distraction is so much. We are unable to focus on special thing, the thing which matters in our life, right? Just like studying, our job, because there is so much distraction. And if we know little bit how to use our time or social media or anything properly, we are going to see ourselves within few months or within few years somewhere else. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.